Here's how I used fridge magnet physics from the 1920s to trade the market, and it went like this. Not that, I meant this. Before you call it fake, good, because it might be. I'm going to show you the actual plot and the exact spot where the backtests usually lie. If this holds up, we've got something interesting. If it doesn't, we will kill it. This comes from the Ising model. It's an old physics model for magnets. It's basically one rule. Each little magnet, called the spin, wants to match the spin next to it. And if enough of them align, boom, you get a magnetic field. It's peer pressure, but for atoms. Now here's the cursed idea. Markets also move in spins. An up day equals a +1. A down day is a -1. So instead of prices, I converted the market into a line of spins.
Nice.
It's literally a magnet problem. Top is normal returns. Bottom is spins. Green is a +1. Red is a -1. That's it. If we get 5 green days in a row, that's alignment. If it's a random chop, that's chaos. So I built a bot that trades using 2 magnet-style signals. One is magnetization. 2 is spin correlation. And the second I saw the equity curve, I got a bit suspicious. In the first signal, the magnetization, which is a fancy word for saying, is the market leaning up or down lately, is the average of spins in a rolling window. When magnetization gets extreme, I fade it, because extreme means overcrowding. Signal 2 is spin correlations. Are the moves consistent, or is it just noise? Put them together, and the bot outputs 3 actions. Go long, short, or do nothing. I tested this on SPTL. It's a treasury bond ETF. I know, it's a boring asset, but it's perfect for a clean test. The year, 2023. We start with $100,000. And because I have zero fear, I use 10 times leverage. Don't do that.
Stop!
So here we see in the top panel, we get the price and the signals. In the middle, we have the position. At the bottom is the equity curve. At first, it's boring. Then it catches a trend and the spin starts aligning. The bot leans long and then the market flips. This is where most people get cooked. But the bot sees the spin flip and it goes short. Money up while price goes down. That's when I went, okay, where's the scam? Alright, quick sanity check. Did they make money from trading or from some dumb cash interest trick? Most of it is trading P&L. Interest is basically noise. So the profits are actually coming from the signals and not just from sitting in cash. Here we can see that at the end of year, the Ising strategy achieved 363k. with a Sharpe of 1.8 and a Karma of 8.86. Now compare that. For the buy and hold with the same 10 times leverage, it ends around 77k. And the drawdown goes to minus 155%. That means your account is dead and you owe money. So yeah, the magnet bot wins by a lot. Here's the uncomfortable part. This is one asset, 1 year, 250 trading days. It's a microscopic sample. When I run proper stats, it wasn't significant at 95%, which means I can't prove it works. It could be luck, it could be overfit. Also, this assumes perfect execution. No slippage, no transaction costs. In real life, fees bite. And 10 times leverage isn't risky. It's one bad day and you're finished. So, can magnets make you money? Maybe. Not quit your job? Maybe. More like, this is weird enough to test properly? Maybe. This channel is simple. Every week we take a concept from physics, maths, or AI, and we test it on real market data. Then we either keep it or bury it. Next episode, I think we'll go through chaos theory, because chaos theory says that markets are unpredictable, and I want to see if it's lying. Anyways, drop a comment with what concepts I should look at next, and subscribe, because I'm doing this weekly. Maybe.